U.S. President Donald Trump announced Thursday he's cutting tariffs on China to 47% from 57% after what he called an amazing meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping in Busan, South Korea. The agreement includes Beijing resuming purchases of U.S. soybeans, ensuring continued exports of rare earths, which China dominates, and stepping up efforts to curb the illicit fentanyl trade. The nearly 2-hour talks, on the sidelines of the APEC summit, capped Trump's Asia trip, where he also highlighted deals with South Korea, Japan, and Southeast Asian nations. It's their first face-to-face since 2019. Global markets reacted choppily, with Asian indexes slipping and U.S. soybean futures weakening amid hopes of easing the trade war that's disrupted supply chains worldwide. But with ongoing economic and geopolitical tensions, questions remain on how long this détente will hold. Stay tuned for more developments.